Hey everyone, I'm Ayush.
And I'm Marv.
And we're the Tasty Twins.
So today we are going to be doing a mystery wheel smoothie challenge.
Let's get to it.
Okay, so if you haven't seen this video, it was our previous mystery wheel video. We made a cake using mystery wheels, same as this video, except we're making a smoothie this video. Make sure to check that video out, and it basically just tells you what we're going to do this video, as we're not going to explain it here. So you actually got to go back to our other video to see it. Okay, so this video we're going to do 10 spins. We might change it to 15, we'll just see. But last video, we were thinking of doing 10, but then it just turned out to be 15. So yeah, we might change it this video, we'll just see what happens. Okay, so our ingredients on our mystery wheel are like celery, spinach, oat milk, almond milk, milk. We also have like orange juice and like different berries, such as like blueberries, and we also got a berry blend. We don't have like, the berry blend has like a bunch of different fruits, but like we don't have like singular fruits like other than the blueberries. And then then we have banana, and then spirulina powder, which is like a healthy green powder. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So let's spin number 1. Yeah, you can go first. Wait, got rock paper scissors. No, you can go first. Okay, yeah, I'll go first. Anyway, okay. Okay, his spin. Come on. Spirulina. Okay.
Start.
Healthy.
Not bad.
I'll get a healthy smoothie. You know? Okay. Okay, yeah, you can see spirulina's green. It's like a green powder. Okay, spin. That's spin number 1. That's his first. No, my first. Now, him spin number 1. Milk. Oat milk. Oh, that's good. That's good. Oh, sorry. You could have got it. Oh, sorry. Okay, spin number 2 for me. Okay. Spin number 2. And then, oh, I got ice. Okay. He's gonna go get the ice. Okay. Just take it in a plate. Oh. Wait, fine. Alex, did you wash your hands? Yes, I did. Okay, I got spirulina and ice. That's a weird mix. Yikes. Okay, and after this, we're gonna put it into like a blender and actually blend it. So this is just the bowl. Yeah. Oh, I don't think we told you yet. We're doing 10 spins, maybe, but we might change it. Yeah. Okay, my spin number 2. Yes. Please get something good, like a berry. Orange juice? Liquid? Okay, so my spin number 3, and yeah, let's do this. Come on. Berry blend, let's go. Okay, that's good. That's really good. That's really good. I just need a liquid. And at least we got a smoothie. Okay. Your dish is here. Sorry. Okay, your spin number 3. My spin number 3. Oops, sorry. Please. Almond milk, 3 milk. 3 like liquids. Almond milk. That's like disgusting. No, it's good. I'm gonna add. I need a liquid. It's good if my smoothie's liquidy. Okay, so then I want to spin number 4. Spin number 4. Celery. Not bad. It's not. It doesn't taste like. I don't really like it plain. It's fine as smoothie. Okay, sorry. Celery. I just spelled celery. The 4th spin. Now my 4th spin. Yes. Please get something like solid. Ice. Okay. It's gonna be chunky. We need like sweetener-ish. I think the fruits are sweet. My spin number. Wait, let's just wait for him here. This is kind of odd. Okay, my spin number 5. That's disgusting. I contain of liquids. Spirulina again. I need a liquid. Give me a liquid. Okay, your spin number 5. My spin number 5. Please. Spinach. Yes, spinach. Spinach is good. I like spinach. Yeah, we all do. Well, I hope we do. Yes, I'll take it. Okay, my spin number 6. Come on. Ice again. Ice. So angry. My ice. One. Okay, yeah, 1 ice. That's spin number 6. I got 4 spins. Berry blend. Oh my god, you got berry blend. That's good. That means my smoothie is fine. He has a smoothie. I need a liquid. Okay, my spin number 1. No, wait. Then let's count. 7. Yes. Wait, I think so. Wait, let's 7. Yes, 7. Okay. Spin number 7. Why can't we not count? It's just spirulina again. Oh, you can add that. See, I'm smart. I need spirulina. Give me a liquid. Okay. Okay. My spin number 7. Please. Spirulina. Okay.
Here.
Well, we don't.
Here.
Oh yeah.
That's
no,
enough.
I kind of want more. But okay, we
That's
only,
actually really
we
enough.
didn't make like enough. We just didn't get
Fair
rid of
enough.
it. But I'll just give us a sec here. You want more spirulina?
Okay. Yeah.
Give us a sec here.
It looks. Look at
That's
this
good. That's really good. Oh, he has no liquid at all. My
Here you
spin
go.
number 8.
8.
3 more. Okay. Actually, yeah, that's good.
I'm getting.
Yeah, that's a
here.
good
I'm getting
smoothie.
orange juice, I think. But ice again.
Ice again.
It's rigged. It's rigged for me. For me, it is rigged.
Hurry.
This is so expensive.
Yikes. This is good. I'm happy with what I have.
Can we extend it to 15?
No.
We'll see. We'll see.
No.
We might see.
This is a fine smoothie. It's fine.
Yeah. We'll
Okay,
find
my
you
spin
there.
number 8. I speak for myself when I say that. Oat milk. I'll take it. Ice. There's 3 more milks left. Okay. Spin number 9. Yeah.
But I need sweets.
Blueberries. Blueberries.
Yo, give me a liquid.
You don't spin all of them.
I like blueberries though.
Okay. Yikes.
Oh, it's like blood.
Don't. Okay, spin number 9. Please. Spinach.
Oh yeah.
Don't put all of it. Could use it. Spin number 10. Okay, no, we're extending it.
No.
We're putting it down. We're extending it. Depends on what this happens.
Sure. Wow, you always do like this.
Blueberries.
Yeah,
Okay,
we're
we're
extending
extending it. Okay, we're extending it to 15.
Yours is
So
fine.
Complainer. Yeah, I'm complaining because there's no liquid in the smoothie. Okay, my spin number 10.
Just chunky, disgusting.
Orange juice. He's gotten like all the liquids.
Yeah, I don't
There's
3 left.
I mine's sweet, but not the sweetest. Okay, spin number 11. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. 11. Okay, you should get a liquid this time. Ice? What's happening?
That's really weird.
Get it from me.
That's
I'm
really
breaking down.
weird.
You know what you do, Ayush? Take the ice, let it melt, and you have water. That's what you'll do. It's gonna melt. Okay, that was your 11th spin?
Uh-huh.
My 11th spin now. Please, not a liquid. Berry blend. We'll have more berry.
We have more berry blend in the fridge.
Yeah.
In the freezer.
Just give us 1 more second. Actually, no, probably a little more. It's disgusting. Get a towel. Okay, spin number 12 for me. Me. Okay. Celery. Oh, okay. Always for me. It ends up bad for me.
Cat.
Okay,
Celery's
my
not bad.
12th spin. Please, not liquid. Orange juice. We don't have. Oh yeah, French juice. I saved some. I knew I'd get it. Well, actually, I didn't. Go. Spin number 13. Yes. 13. Oh, go! Oh, look! Let's go!
Happy boy.
Oh, that's.
Give me some more milk.
Oh my god, that looks so
Give me
good.
some more milk. I need more oat milk.
We don't have more.
Wait, we can. Oh, we don't have any milk. Okay, that's fine.
Go! Go!
Okay,
mine's
spin number
number
13. Go.
13.
As you can see, like the quantities look a little weird.
Banana. Ooh, we never got
We
banana.
haven't got banana before.
I'll take it because it's solid. It's gonna turn mushy, but yeah, okay. Spin number 14 for me.
Yep.
14th spin. Spinach.
I like spinach. I love spinach.
Yeah,
it's
more
really
than
good.
what we have. I wish I could eat it, but
One more?
I need it. Oh yes, more spinach.
Give me your cup.
Go. So in our previous video, the cake one, with the mystery wheel cake one, we could like put like any quantity of the ingredient that we wanted. So that's why I'm getting more spinach. Luckily.
Yeah.
Yes. More spinach.
So why do you want more spinach? That's so solid.
Because it's healthy. You want
Okay.
But like spinach can turn into like a liquid.
These have
odd
odd
colors.
colors. I mean, they're all green.
Okay, yeah, go.
Okay, my
14.
14th spin.
14, please. I don't want a liquid. Spirulina.
Yay.
Oh, got some right there. Okay, that's good enough. Okay. Final spin for me. Give me a liquid. Just pray for me. Okay.
So our camera kind of turned off again,
So,
but that's fine.
what did you get?
I got berry blend, and then for his last,
I got blueberries.
Okay.
Yeah. Well,
So we're gonna go blend them.
Yeah. And yeah. Okay, so we are going to try my smoothie first. I gave him a sample. Oh, that's good.
Good, but like a little bit sour.
That's good.
After he's good, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we're gonna try mine. Wait, gotta cleanse. One second.
Oh.
He has to follow procedure. Wow. Oh, that's pretty good. That's good aftertaste. It's like slightly sour and slightly sweet, so it's good. Okay, but yours is better. So we have established our winner.
It's
So,
me.
yes.
It's me. Yeah.
Okay, skip to the intro. Hey guys, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking our videos, and sharing the video, this current video that you're on, as well as turning on all notifications.
And yeah, thank you for choosing my smoothie to win.
Thank you for making an awesome enough smoothie for me to choose you to win.
And thank you for watching.
See ya.